Hi, this is Tom from FormAssembly with a quick demonstration of the new webhook connector in workflow, which we will integrate with HubSpot in order to create contacts. So you can see here we have a simple workflow of a registration form, then we have a thank you page being shown, and then the new webhook connector. If we take a look at the configuration, I've already authorized the connection using OAuth, and within the configuration tab, you can see I'm sending a post request to that endpoint to create a contact, and the body has a content type of JSON. And I'm using the first name, last name, email address, and phone number fields from the form for that information. If we take a look in my HubSpot, you can see I have no contacts currently. So if we run the workflow, and submit, that's successful. We can take a look at the response page here and see in the response there, it was successfully run. So if we come back here and refresh, we should see that new contact is now within the CRM of HubSpot.